Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing my homework solution to Poem Recorder's Lesson 1 in the new Pico W series. And sorry for the loud noises, I'm 3D printing right now. So the homework assignment was to blink the LED as fast as I can that it can still perceive it blinking. And here is my code. And what I did a little bit extra is I added an input command, so now I can tell the program how fast to blink it. So it says, how fast do you want to blink the LED? I'm going to put 1 second, and now it's blinking at a rate of 1 second. I can stop the program and then rerun it, and for me 0.02 I can still see it blinking, but it is very hard to see. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick little homework solution. I hope to make a couple videos soon. Talk to you guys later. Bye.